Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. I'm a pharmacist. In today's video, we're going to do our second paycheck for October, which starts from the 15th to the end of the month, which is 31st. I just want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you for joining the family. I'm so glad that you are here. If you are a new member, thank you. On this channel, we talk about everything simple living through Jesus, health, and finances. Before we get into the budget, I would like to read to you my monthly Bible quotation and also my monthly quote. So let's get started. For October, my monthly quotation is from Philippians 4:13. He said, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. And my monthly quote is, I am enough. Yes, I am enough. This is paycheck number 2 for October, and my budget is from 15th to 31st. As you all know, in my previous video, I already said that I do 3 budgets, 2 bi-weekly and also 1 monthly paycheck. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave the link in my description below and also up there, so that you can follow along with me. So for today's budget for October paycheck number 2, my paycheck is $2,000. I'm budgeting with $2,000. So I've already taken my tithe and offering and some savings from it. So this $2,000 is mostly for my 4 walls and my bills and expenses and other stuff that I'm going to pay for, debt and all those stuff. So I'll go ahead and do my 4 wall. For my 4 wall, I'll go along and do my mortgage, which come out to be $10.15, and that one is $933. Then under the 4 wall, I also have my car loan, which go out to be $10.25, and that one is $300. Then under the 4 wall, I also have my car insurance, which go out to be $10.30, and that one is $202. So under the 4 wall, I'll do the calculation. I have $933 plus $300 plus $202, and that one come out to be $1,435, $1,435. Then let's go to other expenses. For other expenses, I only have internet and cable. That one go out to be $10.20, and that one is $200. I have miscellaneous. That one normally go out $10.15, and that one I have $50. So under the other expenses, I only have $200 plus $50, and that one give me $250. Then under this paycheck, I'm going to pay off my debt, which is my student loan I'm paying. That one go out to be $10.21, and that one is from this month we are doing $300. So that's what we have. This is all that I have for paycheck number 2 from the 15th to 31st. So I'll go ahead and put them here, which is under the 4 walls. I have $1,435, and I have $250. Then I have $300 under debt. So when I add them up, it's going to be $1,435 plus $250 plus $300, and I have $1,985. So 2,000 minus 1,985. It left with $15. So I'll put the $15 under. I'm going to use it to pay off my student loan. So I'll say add a debt, and I'll do $15 under. So $15 here. So under expenses $15. So my total income, I'll use other pen so that you will see. My total income was $2,000, and when you sum up all this, it's gonna be 1,435 plus 250 plus 300 plus 15, and that will give me 2,000. We are giving every dollar a name, so that would be 2,000. I'll use the red. So my balance is 0. I'm budgeting everything, so that's why it's called zero-based budget. So I'm giving every dollar a name. So that's all I have pretty much for my paycheck number 2 from the 15th to 31st. So I'll leave the description of my monthly budget and also my first paycheck in the description below, so that you can check it out to see how I do my budget. In a month, I do 3 budgets, monthly budget, and 2 bi-weekly. That's how I do budget. I give every dollar and name. And for the budget sheet that I'm using, they are free. You can find the link in my description below and you can download them for free to do your budget. I'm not charging anything for it. Just go download and have a happy budgeting. If you have any questions about it, just DM me on my Instagram and Facebook, and I'm really glad to explain stuff to you. They are free. Go download them and use them to do your budget. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about your budget, you can DM me on my Instagram or my Facebook. And I really appreciate everybody. I love you. I'll see you in my next video.